Hey everyone, Jared here with this week's JDS Insider, and today I'll be going over a few quick tips on sublimating our sublimatable metal. The first tip I have is to always make sure that you remove the protective coating on there. It is plastic, so it will melt in the heat press if you don't, as well as it will add a blurring effect to text or even images. Another really helpful tip is making sure that you're layering your heat press properly when doing the metal. How we recommend it is doing it with the metal on top of your transfer. Most products you'll do it with the transfer on top, but with metal you can do it this way. Now if you're doing it this way, you want to make sure you use a paper towel underneath so you don't obtain the texture of the lower heat platen, as well as scratch paper or a Teflon sheet on top of it so the ink doesn't get on your top platen. If your output on the metal is coming out with a bluish greenish tint and it has splotches all over it, it's usually due to not enough pressure or going long enough or hot enough in your heat press. Now for the opposite way, if you're going too long, too hot, or even too much pressure, you're going to end up getting a mottled look to your metal, as well as it'll turn brown, as well as your transfer paper. If you're getting a perfect output, you should be able to see the gloss at the right angle, you shouldn't see any mottling, and you should have a perfect black output. These metals come in a variety of finishes, and if you'd like more information, visit us online or give us a call today. And now you know.